Welcome to Kerala, a mesmerizing land nestled on the southwestern coast of India, often hailed as God's own country. This enchanting state stretches along the Malabar coast, bordered by the shimmering Arabian Sea and the majestic Western Ghats. Its diverse terrain ranges from palm-fringed beaches to tranquil backwaters and lush, mountainous regions, all wrapped in a tropical climate that breathes life into its vibrant landscapes. Kerala's rich cultural tapestry is woven from its long history of trade and an amalgamation of diverse religious traditions. The people here, known as Keralites or Malayalis, speak Malayalam and carry forward a legacy of high literacy, impressive life expectancy, and a spirit of inclusivity. In the heart of Kerala, traditional art forms like Kathakali tell stories with vivid expressions and intricate movements, while the ancient science of Ayurveda offers holistic healing. Every year, the festival of Onam unfolds in vibrant splendor, uniting communities in celebration. And let's not forget the distinctive flavors of Kerala's cuisine, a symphony of spices and seafood that tantalizes the taste buds. Economically, Kerala thrives with a diverse portfolio. Agriculture forms a cornerstone, with verdant plantations of coconut, rubber, and a cornucopia of spices, like pepper and cardamom. The picturesque hill stations produce some of India's finest tea and coffee, while the rich backwaters and scenic beaches draw tourists from around the globe. The state's economy also flourishes through industries like fishing, information technology, and traditional crafts such as coir and handloom weaving, each contributing to its unique economic landscape. Yet, amidst modernization, Kerala faces the challenge of preserving its cultural heritage and natural beauty. Balancing tourism with ecological preservation is a delicate dance, one that Kerala embraces with grace and determination. As we journey through Kerala, it's clear that this is more than just a destination. It's an experience that inspires awe and appreciation for its natural beauty, cultural richness, and economic vitality. Kerala stands as a testament to progress, harmonized with tradition, inviting you to explore and be inspired by its endless wonders. So, pack your bags and set forth to discover the beauty and soul of Kerala, where every corner tells a story, and every heart beats to the rhythm of its rich cultural heritage.